That's why we like to play the rock, paper, scissors, because you can still do whatever the hell you want.
Well,
Oh my God.
my god!
Beautiful balcony.
I constantly see people moving out of this building.
This building must be horrible. Yeah. Well, you're not in walking distance to anything. Like, literally.
Oh my god! What? That's his speed. 134. Of no plates on a black Dodge Charger. Morning.
Morning.
I'm Trooper Nickerson. I stopped you for reckless driving. 134 miles per hour is reckless.
Really, sir? Was I going that fast? You know what, sir? I apologize. I'm an off-duty deputy sheriff from LA County, and I'm just in a hurry to go get to Vegas because there's an emergency.
It's, you know what, off-duty is not going to help you at 134 miles per hour. This one's going to sting. I need your driver's license. This car's not registered yet?
Yeah, it is, sir.
Where's the license plate?
You know what, sir? I haven't, I received it, but I couldn't find it. I couldn't find it, so I'm going to call it in.
Dude, you're off-duty. Come on.
I know.
You got to get the plates on the car. All right, so I need your license, and let me have your temporary tag at least.
Sir, I apologize, but...
I'm not looking for an apology.
This is going to ruin my career, sir.
Well, come on, man. You made that decision, not me. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the break that I'm going to give you. I'm not going to add the reckless enhancements so you don't lose your license. Okay, so this is just for the speed and the license plate. It's out of the Good Springs Justice Court. Telephone number and address is here. This date, April 10th, is a court date. Court's not mandatory. You can take care of it online or through the mail. And there's instructions on the back. And just to be clear, we do give breaks most of the time to law enforcement. But 134, man. You got a child in that back seat. Okay?
You know what, sir? I apologize, sir, and thanks for getting me a break.
Okay. Please drive safe.
All right, thank you.